Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Fortnite on your mobile device completely free and safe. Before we start, I would like to mention that GeForce Now offers many amazing deals that come with playing games on their cloud network for extremely cheap. Anyways, here is how you get Fortnite for absolutely free on your mobile device. Head to your browser and search up GeForce Now. Most likely NVIDIA will show up, which is their website. You will then click the three lines in the corner and click download. After that, you will scroll down until you see your device. This is compatible with most devices. Click launch for mobile, then do what the screen says. You will then open the app, and after that login. Let me log in, and I will be back. I have logged in successfully. Click the game you want to play, but for this video it would be Fortnite. I already had my Epic Games connected, but for you guys, you may just need to log in. Yay! My Wi-Fi is not the greatest, so if yours is not either, you might experience stuttering, but even CenturyLink Wi-Fi works on this. I was on mobile data. This will work with the in-game touch controls or use single wireless controller gamepad. If you did everything right, you should have loaded it up perfectly. You can play as much as you want on this throughout the day. Well guys, that is how you get Fortnite on your mobile device. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if have any questions, sure to let me know in the comments. Bye.